to the On Air channel. I'm your social space curator, Ellie Jńe, and today we are here with I guess this is called a showcase, because we're just going to show one of the projects that I have, and it is just like a mini encouragement album, and it's absolutely adorable. I think this is something that I do want to kind of do a tutorial in the future. If you want to see one, definitely like this video. I would love to show you guys, if interested, if this is what you want to do. But let me go ahead and talk about the paper, and then we're going to get into, like, you know, the aesthetics, like what's going on here, right? And excuse my fingers, they just kind of like went through like a crazy winter, I don't know, they fell apart. Anyway, let's get into the paper. So the two pieces of the two papers that I used was Parkland Mystical Magic and Jen Hadfield. I really love these paper pads because they're absolutely adorable. I am clearly almost out by now. This is literally what's left, and I'm going to use this in another project. I'm not too sure, but I wanted to save it. But I had a bunch of, like, you know, when the paper pad has like these type of tags and stuff and extra little decor extras on it, I wanted to make something really nice, and that's how we ended up getting this journal right here. So anyway, yeah, so I basically used this up, and I used it in another small journal as well, so I'm going to do another showcase. But this also had like tags that were like plentiful. Like, it had so many tags in this journal. As you can see, I got the front off of this one, I believe, but it's in there, y'all, and you can be able to purchase this either online with JHaa-N's, or you can try your bet on Amazon. But nonetheless, this is what we're working with. It's very tiny because I just wanted to do a tag one. I added some like green twine from Michael's, and it's so adorable. Oh my gosh. And I love swatching paper. I can do that all day. I love cutting paper, so this is just like the perfect little project. In order for me to close this up, I'm going to untie this here. I used two grommettes to like basically hold down, you know, the twine. And you see this grommet, how pretty. And as far as like this front cover, I just used one of their encouragement cards on the front, and then I ended up adding this little, I don't know what this is called, like just a strip. It was like scrap paper, just to add some more dimension to the front. If you know anything about my designs, they're pretty straightforward, kind of minimalistic. Sometimes it could be a lot. But I love my earth tones, so you're going to get a lot of earth tones on this channel. There's a lot of channels who do a lot of colors, but nonetheless, I wanted it to have like a realistic look to it as well. So I love that little, I guess it's like a weaving type of paper print, and I'm going to try to get really close. I just thought it just looked really nice and realistic. I don't know, really dreamy. On the back of the grommet, I just basically used the same type of paper, and then I added this little knot to kind of hold it down, and I thought it had a cute little elegance to it. At the end of these strings, if you want in the project, you can add whatever pearls or, you know, extra accents that you would like. But yeah, I just kept it simple, you know what I'm saying? Because I didn't know how long the string was going to be, so yeah. I didn't add pockets here because it was no need. All of the messaging was here, and I thought this paper set had so many cute encouragement tags that someone can look through and just, you know, spread some joy, or, you know, I don't know, just like something nice to just be able to have. I don't know. Anyway, so it says like a gift for you, and then it says thankful. One of the things that I would advise, if you make this for someone, keep these to be open as pockets and put little notes on the inside of this. I closed this out, but at the top, I glued it at the top, but you know, have an opening and then put like little messages on the inside, like little pockets. But this one says, you're my light. And then this one says, celebrate. And then it had some imagery. So there's some like storytelling kind of going on in here. Believe in the power of your dreams, your magic. And then this is some like floral setups. Said just be there and breathe. Peace, be still. The world is in your hands. So I kind of set it up in like a storytelling type of field. So like I said, you can add pockets if you would like. This one has a pocket that I just kind of, you know, folded up because it's the same size as the tag, but you can easily, you know, kind of did that difficult, you know, put whatever you want within that, or there's more smaller messages that you can actually tuck away in there and add a tag so you can easily take it out. So you cut those down and things like that. So I thought this was so cute. It is not in the stars to hold our destiny, but in ourselves. Shakespeare out here coming with the knowledge, right? But I just thought, you know, why not play around, and you could put a little message at the end, and whatever makes your soul happy, do that. If you would like this journal, definitely let me know, because I want to sell it. I have no one to give it to, unfortunately. I just passed out some cards with some of my friends and family, so I'm kind of card out into the next big old holiday. But if you have a friend in mind for Galentine's, or you have a loved one, someone that you know, really like at work or something, this could be something that you give to them. I added some more weaving in the back, and this is just so clean and, I don't know, just so nice to gift. I'm gonna put this in a box. I should kind of videotape me making a box. But nonetheless, that's all we have here. In order for you to close it up, you just put it through the grommet hole here, and you do one string, and you pull it through like this, and it basically holds the box together. I think I'm doing it right. Yep. And you bring it around here, and you bring this around there, so it should be able to tie like right on this side, and you just bring it up, and it just gives some body to your box. That sounded kind of funny, but yeah. And then you tie your little knot here. Be very careful, and boom, you have your gift box back and ready to be, you know, gifted and stuff. So yeah, I have another showcase that we're gonna do. It's this journal right here. I'm gonna actually do a video on how I'm going to actually make this front cover look more like something, but I'm gonna do a showcase of this one next, so check out my next video. I look forward to chatting with you guys soon, and leave comments though. Like, tell me what you think. Do you like it? Do you like these earth tones? You know what I'm saying? It's just kind of like an adult gift packaging. I would love to hear your feedback. I'm Ellie Jńe, your social space curator, and please check me out on social media, Instagram and Pinterest. I have loads of content over there. So in saying that, I look forward to chatting with you soon, and I'm signing off. Bye.